Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the June 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag to open up with you all today. I have a coupon code for the dollar bead box. It's THJ2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up, or $2 off of an order from their online shop. But you can only have access to the online shop if you're a member of the Dollar Bead Club. If you're a subscriber to the box, you're automatically a member of the Dollar Bead Club, or you can buy an annual membership. It's $35 a year, and that would give you access to their shop, but you wouldn't get the box or the bag. So I'm going to open it up here and we'll take a little peek. Dollar Bead bag is always on top with the beautiful fire polish beads. There are 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads, and there are 50 beads on each strand. And oh my goodness, those are so pretty. They're always pretty. And this is a list of everything that's in the box. June's dollar bead box brings the sparkle along with a playful mix of reds, pinks, silvers, and more. Fresh, bright, and full of shine, this month's collection feels like summer celebrations, sunset skies, and a little extra glam all rolled into one. This mix balances rich color with elegant sparkle, making it easy to design pieces that feel both fun and wearable. And then on the back is everything that's in the box. There's a little peek at the things that are in here. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and I'm going to start with the dollar bead bag with the 3mm fire polished beads. And this is, it says deep rose luster or transparent pink. I think this would be the transparent pink. That's just really pretty. And then next I have, I'm skipping the next one because I'll tell y'all why in a minute. I don't know what the next 2 of them are. They look really similar to me. This is matte violet fuchsia. Really, really pretty. And then it says one of these is Crystal Light Maria, and one of them is Crystal Volcano. And I just cannot tell the difference. They both look just exactly the same to me. So I don't know if I accidentally got 2 that are exactly the same, or I'm just not seeing the difference. They're just really, really similar. This one, if I had to guess, this one is probably the Crystal Light Maria, and this one might be the Crystal Volcano, because I think I see a few more colors in this one than this one, but I don't know for sure. They just look so similar to me that I don't know which is which. But they're just really, really pretty. It's really beautiful. Next I have, in the 4mm strands, matte chalk pink. And I think that probably looks pretty white in the camera, but it does have a little bit of a pink color to it. It's really, really pretty. And then next is Crystal Silver Lined AB. I think. It says Crystal Silver Lined AB or White Opal. So I don't know. I guess it could be White Opal, but I don't know. I'm not sure. But they're beautiful. And then next is matte violet fuchsia, just like the 3mm strand that I had. So, those are really, really pretty. And then last in the dollar bead bag, in the 4mm fire polish beads, is, it says alabaster ruby luster or dark pink. I think that's probably alabaster ruby luster. I might be zoomed in too much. It might not be focused well. I don't know. They're really, really pretty. And then in the dollar bead box are 40 pieces of 3mm check glass pearls, and the color is bone. It says you might get, you would either get bone or rose gold. So this is the bone color. Them little 3mm check glass pearls. It's really, really pretty. And then next are some 4mm check glass drop beads. There are 35 of these. It says burnt copper or opaque rose gold luster. I think this is probably the burnt copper. It's really pretty check glass drop beads. And then next are 25 pieces, 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle beads. This would be the burnt umber. It says you'd either get light pink or burnt umber, so this would be the burnt umber. It's really pretty. They usually always include a strand of these 3x5mm gem cut rondelles. It's really pretty. And then next is a 50-piece strand of 3mm fire polish beads. It says light lilac or matte vintage rose mix. I believe this would be the matte vintage rose mix. It's really pretty. And then next are 120 pieces of 1x2mm Chinese crystal rondelle beads. It says silver or crystal. I believe this would be the silver. Just a whole lot of little tiny 1x2mm rondelle beads. It's really, really cool. I love these. I always love teeny tiny beads. And then last in the strands in the box is a 50-piece strand of 4mm check glass fire polish beads. And it says sapphire copper lined Maria or vitriol gold. I think this would be the vitriol gold. It's really, really beautiful. And then in the additional items, first I have a 18x18mm check glass heart. The color is crystal pink with gold wash. Look at that. It's really pretty. And then Next are 4 pieces Chinese crystal teardrops. They're 6 by 12 millimeter and the color is silver. Y'all hear that? That's that's Lily climbing up on my chair. It takes her a minute. She's a big girl and it takes her a minute to get up there. These are 6 by 12 millimeter check Chinese crystal teardrop beads and this color is silver. They're drilled side to side like that. They're really pretty. All kinds of facets on those. And then next are 6 antique silver flower bead caps. They're 10 millimeters. So that would be the outside, and that's what the inside looks like. And then next are 2 14 millimeter check glass Star of Ishtar beads. The color is rose luster. They're really pretty. And then next are 10 4 by 9 millimeter check glass rice beads. The color is Merlot. They're really pretty. Really pretty color of red. Next are 2 check glass puffed pillow beads. They're 10 by 12 millimeters and the color is crystal burgundy. They're really pretty. And then next is a 10 by 12 millimeter check glass cabochon. The color is red with confetti. It's really cool. That's the back. And then next are 4 check glass drop beads. They're 7 by 12 millimeters and the color is opaque white. These are really pretty. And then next is a Swarovski Sirius Chaton Article 1088. The size is SS55 and the color is crystal lilac shadow foiled. And oh my goodness, that's so pretty. That's just beautiful. That's what the back end looks like. That's just really, really beautiful. It's amazing. And then next are two check glass flowers. They're 14 millimeter and the color is pink opal with copper wash. Those are really pretty. And then next are 12 8 millimeter check glass fire polished beads. The color is etched crystal. And these are just really, really beautiful too. It's really, really pretty. And then last is a 22 millimeter pewter southwestern cross pendant. Pewter southwestern cross pendant. It's 22 millimeters. It's really cool. That's what the back looks like. It's really neat. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in a picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the June 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. Lots of really, really beautiful beads. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.